Stop trying to be more disciplined. It's the wrong fight. The reason every productivity tip has failed you isn't willpower, it's identity. And I'll prove it in the next 4 minutes. Every productivity book says the same thing. Discipline, willpower. Just push harder. If discipline was the actual answer, those books would have worked. You've read maybe a dozen of them. You've watched the videos. You've done the cold showers and the 5 a.m. wake-ups. And you're still here, watching this, instead of being whoever it is you're trying to become. The books aren't lying. They're misdiagnosing. There are two completely different things happening in your brain that most self-help conflates. Behavior is what you do. Identity is who you believe you are. Every single action you take either confirms or contradicts your stored identity. And when an action contradicts identity, your subconscious quietly finds a way to bring you back to baseline. Skip the gym, cancel the side project, eat the thing, fall asleep doom scrolling. It's not weakness, it's accuracy. Your behavior is matching the file on record. Take the classic example. A smoker who says, "I'm trying to quit." The language is the giveaway. They're still a smoker. They're just a smoker who's fighting their identity. Every cigarette they don't smoke is a battle. Every cigarette they do smoke is a confirmation. Now take the same person saying, "I'm not a smoker." Their entire system has been switched. There is no battle. There is just a person doing what people like them do. Now, every non-smoking action confirms who they already are. The war is over before it started. This is also, weirdly, why fake it till you make it works. You're not faking. You're rehearsing a new identity. And your brain, the same brain that consolidates beliefs during sleep, that filters new inputs through the critical faculty that we covered in the last few videos, will write whatever you repeatedly act out into your stored identity model. The file gets updated, and once it does, everything you do downstream of it gets easier. The discipline you were missing wasn't discipline, it was permission. So the actual play is this: stop trying to do the thing. Start trying to be the kind of person who does the thing. It sounds like word games. It isn't. The brain handles "I'm trying to run more" and "I am a runner" as completely different inputs. One is a request being filtered through resistance. The other is a fact being filed. Requests get rejected. Facts get integrated. How do you actually switch identity? Two things, in parallel. First, repeated identity statements delivered during the brain states that bypass the filter. That's the theta-state, hypnosis, or the slow-wave sleep window, covered in earlier videos. Second, one small daily action that proves the new identity is real. One push-up if you're becoming someone who lifts. One paragraph if you're becoming a writer. 1 minute of meditation if you're becoming someone who's calm. The brain doesn't care about scale. It cares about repetition and consistency. A tiny action done every single day for 30 days writes more identity into the file than one heroic week followed by silence. Discipline was never the variable. Identity was. You've been trying to push yourself across a line that, deep down, you don't believe is yours to cross. Fix the belief. The behavior is downstream. Subscribe if this rewired something for you. See you in the next one.